Hello, this is Mark LaRochelle from Productive Computing and Productive Computing University. Thanks for joining me on this video. If you find yourself needing to install, configure, maintain, manage, and monitor FileMaker Server from the Claris platform, then this particular course might be of interest to you. The name of the course is called Mastering FileMaker Server, and it's available at productivecomputinguniversity.com. Within the course, we demonstrate how to install FileMaker Server for the Macintosh and Windows platforms. We cover several topics including configuration and right-sizing the server based on your individual requirements. We look at the logging features of FileMaker, the backups and the backup schedules. We look at script schedules and automation of FileMaker Server. We cover all the ins and outs of the FileMaker admin console, including a special section on CLI, which is command line interface, enabling all those advanced features of FileMaker Server if you should need them. We have a special troubleshooting section, and as a Claris FileMaker hosting company, we draw upon our many years of working with FileMaker Server and provide insight and industry best practices that you can put to use right away. So you can get started by enrolling in the course called Mastering FileMaker Server, found at productivecomputinguniversity.com.